Alrighty guys, so we're about to ride Pipeline, the surf coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. Let's do this. I'm ready. Come on! Away we go. Let's do this. Woo! So first time having a chance to actually mount cameras on the train. That's what we have facing me and Natalie. And we have our GoPro recording the front-facing POV. Let's do this. Daytime ride. Haven't done it. Woo! It's a quality ride, guys. That is so good. Yep. Yeah. Woo! That gives you the adrenaline. Love the airtime on it. I like it. That's a good ride, guys. Woo!